Welcome to SVFF, tiếng Việt giọng miền Nam cho người nước ngoài. Chào mọi người, mình tên là Hoài Thương. Mình là giáo viên tiếng Việt tại SVFF. And today, we will learn about the word sắp. Okay, what does it mean? Sắp. Sắp is placed in front of the main verb to denote an action which will happen in the near future. Please remember the word near future. And sắp is equivalent to the English phrases be going to or be about to in English. For example, chúng tôi sắp thi. It means we are going to take an exam. How about sắp in the question form? If you want to ask, are you going to or are you about to take the final exam in Vietnamese, please use the word chưa. And you will put chưa at the end of the question. Okay, for example, I have a question. Các bạn sắp thi chưa? Means, are you going to take an exam? And if your answer is yes, you can say rồi, or you can say sắp, or even you can say sắp rồi. Okay, but please remember that if you only say the word sắp, it can be rude and impolite. However, if you want to say no, or express the idea we are not going to take an exam, don't use the word sắp or không. Instead that, you can use the word chưa. For example, chúng tôi chưa thi. It means we are not going to take the exam yet. However, when you use the word không, chúng tôi không thi, it means that we don't take the exam at all. Okay, can you see the difference between two words? Moreover, you can add the time expression to the negative statement. For example, tuần này tụi mình chưa thi. It means we are not going to take an exam this week. Okay, are you clear about the lesson? Now practice time. In this exercise, you will fill in the blanks with the word sắp and chưa. Số 1. Bạn đi ngủ chưa? Question mark. Số 2. Tụi mình đang bận làm bài tập. Ăn tối. Ok, số 3. Anh về nhà chưa? Đã 11 giờ đêm rồi. Số 4. Qua ngày mới rồi mà trẻ con. Tắm. And that's all of our today lesson. I hope you enjoyed the video. And did you know that in just 3 months, if you learn one-on-one with us, you will be able to communicate in simple Vietnamese. And in only 8 hours, you can pronounce all Vietnamese words without understanding the meaning yet. Register for a free 30-minute trial here. Okay, so this is the end of the video. See you next time. Cảm ơn và chào các bạn.
Thousands of Vietnamese learners have successfully achieved the goal of learning Vietnamese with SVFF. You can do it too. Join us for a free 30-minute trial here.